Where do you start? Who can you trust? Working with your insurance seems so overwhelming. Well, you don't have to worry anymore. Come see my daddy at Schulzautobody. We specialize in collision repair, and we will work with your insurance, so you don't have to. We want to say a special thank you to our customers. We appreciate your continued support. Remember us when you're in a collision.